Even though humanity is supposedly the most advanced species on the planet, it is startlingly unsuitable and ill-equipped for Earth's environment, sun damage, a strong disdain for naturally occurring foods, insanely high rates of chronic sickness, and more. Furthermore, many people get the impression that they don't belong here or that something just isn't right, says Dr. Alice Silver, professor of ecology. It may appear like something out of an X-Files episode, but ancient nations have discussed the notion of bringing life to another planet since the dawn of humanity. According to this hypothesis, humans were not born on Earth but another planet. Humans exhibit several dysfunctions that would not exist if we were Earth's product. According to the belief, humans are naturally unruly and violent people with large egos, so highly evolved aliens gathered the human population on their last planet and banished us to Earth to learn how to behave. Professor of ecology Dr. Alice Silver created this notion. According to the Australian professor, people have back issues and are frequently in pain because our race evolved from a planet with less gravity than Earth. We also have troubles when we are exposed to direct sunlight for a short period. According to Silver, since we were not created to be in such proximity to the sun, humans are not from Earth. A book by Dr. Silver compiles all of his most robust evidence. Another point advanced by the professor concerns parturition issues, particularly those caused by newborn child's head is enormous. As a result, we are the only species with such high rates of problems and death for both the mother and the infant during pregnancy and delivery. He also mentions how people are unprepared to deal with the natural environment, such as cold or heat. The idea also analyzes the contradiction that many sorts of meals provided by nature, such as raw food, are disliked by humans. According to Silver, humans become ill a lot because, among other things, our biological clock is set for a 25-hour day, which was supported by Harvard research. Silver thinks that the anatomically modern human is a hybrid created by the crossover of Neanderthals with another species of human that arrived on Earth between 60,000 and 200,000 years ago, maybe from a planet in the Alpha Centauri solar system, our nearest neighbor. Ancient man's mode of connecting with these intelligent aliens that came on Earth was presumably through the ancient gods, who would descend from the heavens in their chariots of fire and flying boats. Ancient cultures sometimes describe these gods as appearing like modern-day astronauts, which Dr. Silver believes are ETs visiting Earth from another star system. Of course, moving from the notion of aliens bringing life to Earth from another planet to aliens bringing life to Earth because they were angry with the humans is quite a leap. Other theories are circulating within the ancient astronaut group claim that aliens aided the acceleration of development on our planet by combining their genetics with apes. This may all seem a little far-fetched, but think about it. Why aren't we able to blend in on this planet? If humans were formed by nature, why do we have all of the dysfunctions Dr. Silver mentioned? I'm sure our scientists would want to undertake some genetic research if we eventually solved the physics problem and were able to travel to distant stars and came across kinds of primates.